Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to lock a player in eFootball. To lock a player in eFootball, first of all, open up the game on your preferred platform. You can open it up on your PC or your mobile or your console. Now once you're in the home page of eFootball, go ahead and tap on My Team at the bottom of the screen. Inside My Teams, tap on Players and then select a player that you'd like to lock. After you do that, you will see other several options. Simply go ahead and tap on Lock and this will lock the player immediately. Now you can control the actions more tactically by locking onto your preferred player in eFootball. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.